Northern Thailand blizzard. Welcome.
It's like ridiculous in Thailand. Unbelievable weather. It's probably about 12 degrees. Like hot,
We have our blizzard.
Lizard?
Our lizard. Blizzard.
Yes, New York is all covered in snow and Prague is all covered in rain.
And really cold.
Cauliflower coconut soup. Perfect for today.
Yeah. You have a tea over there?
Yes, this is my tea. Hot tea.
That is amazingly cold. I mean, like seriously cold. Look, I'm wearing all winter clothes.
This is the summer fashion. This is the
This
winter.
is not summer, but this is this is cold summer fashion. And this is winter up here. And I have my mittens. I just left them over there. Just your back. Double layers. One layer. Two, actually triple layers. There's really cold inside.
Why don't you like put a sweater or a jacket or a blouse? No socksies. Why? Why?
Are you cold or not? Are you cold or not? I need your chick. Ah, two of them. Thank you. Nice chicks. Don't steal my chicks, you little chicker. Chicken stealer.
Joy, let's put your blousey, okay? Because it's really cold, sweetie. Joy, why?
I don't want to.
But why you don't want to? Huh? Tell me. He always says he is not cold. He really says, he tells me he's hot. He will be coming to me and he says, like, I'm hot, take it off.
But he's not getting sick.
No,
He's
no,
been doing
he's
this for
running
a couple-
barefoot, no hat. It's barely on the motorcycle. You can't make him wear something.
We have to force him to wear
Force him
something,
to wear
when
something, and
he's
he's
got.
very unhappy to wear a hat. And he's not very cold. If you touch him,
yeah,
he
if
has
you touch
warm
him.
hands. His feet are a little cold from the surface. But
I mean,
and we are like,
should we trust the kids when they
We
say
should.
I'm not cold, or should we like, no, you're gonna be sick and something's gonna happen bad and we need to put some shoes on? What
well,
should we do?
especially I don't think you are supposed to say like predict something bad. So I don't think it's good. You can actually say like, oh, you'll be more comfortable or warm or something, like try to
Yeah,
like
just trick them sort
trick
of.
him a little bit, like, oh, it's gonna be like cute hat with like he has the Cookie Monster hat.
But what if they really don't need that? I mean, he's okay. No joke, guys. We have our own blizzard, seriously, and we're freezing.
8 degrees at night.
8 degrees at night time.
8 degrees at night.
And 11 about around now.
And the moisture in the air makes it feel even colder. I told you they would be excited.
You like Thailand?
Yeah, it's so warm, like on the beach.
Right.
So
why are you
it's
wearing?
nice and hot in my hat.
So why are you wearing gloves then?
It's freezing.
It's crazy.
I'm
Yeah.
dressing himself. He said he's hot. Can you believe it? And I said, Troy, you should wear a hat. But he said, like, oh, no, I'm okay.
I don't need hat. I'm hot.
Come here. He's trying to undress me something.